ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 93 इन टीका। व्हाट इज द द्वितीय मिथ्यात्व लक्षण?
प्रतिपन्नोपादौ त्रैकालिक निषेध
प्रतियोगित्वम्। प्रतिपन्नोपादौ त्रैकालिक निषेध प्रतियोगित्वम् मिथ्यात्वम्. What is the meaning of the word upadhi there?
अधिकरण.
Adhikarana. And what is pratipanna means?
Non-adhikarana.
Jnata. So jnate adhikarane त्रैकालिक निषेध प्रतियोगित्व. This is the लक्षण पर मिथ्यात्व. Purvapakshis objection was, if you do nishedha of nishedha, jagat mithyatva, this vakya, if it becomes negated, then what will happen? Jagat will become satyam.
Satyam.
If jagat becomes satyam, then your pratipadanam was for jagat mithya. Now you are doing pratipadanam of jagat satyam. Therefore, there is arthantaram. This was the objection. So, Siddhanti said no. And he gave the example of swapna. So we were seeing the fourth sentence. Tatra hi nishedasya, fourth line. Tatra hi nishedasya nishede प्रतियोगी सत्वम आयाति. यत्र निषेधस्य निषेध बुद्ध्या प्रतियोगित्वम प्रतियोगी सत्वम व्यवस्थाप्यते and निषेध मात्रम निषिध्यते. So there where these two conditions are true, निषेधस्य निषेध बुद्ध्या प्रतियोगी सत्वम व्यवस्थाप्यते means प्रतियोगी is satya and nishedha is not. There निषेधस्य निषेधे प्रतियोगी सत्व. यथा रजते नेदम रजतम, in rajata first buddhi you get nedam rajatam. After that pratiti idam na arajatam. This is not silver. If this understanding comes, then iti jnanena rajatam vyavasthapyate and nishedha matram nishidhyate. Up to this is clear?
Yes, Swamiji. Yes,
Yes, yes.
Now, I had told you the other reading where na is there. Kailasha book also has na. If you see that one, then how you have to read? That nishedha matram tu na nishidhyate. That is where the na comes. So in that reading, निषेध मात्रम न निषिध्यते. So you have to understand this way. Not only nishedha is done, but प्रतियोगी सत्ता अपि व्यवस्थाप्यते. So यत्र निषेधस्य निषेध बुद्ध्या प्रतियोगी सत्वं व्यवस्थाप्यते. निषेध मात्रम तु न निषिध्यते. Not only matra nishedha is done, but pratyogi sattva vyavasthapanam is also there. If you add na, then you should understand this way. Pratyogi sattvam api vyavasthaप्यते in this way. And if you just say nishedha matram nishidhyate means nishedha matram nishidhyate, not that nishedha also and pratyogi also both are nishidhyate, that is not true. If you say nishedha matram nishidhyate, if you don't have na, then what you should understand? Nishedha matram nishidhyate, pratyogi na nishidhyate. Pratyogi means the one who is getting negated, nishedhya. Either way, meaning is only this much, whether you add na or not. Meaning is, if nishedha is nishidhyate and pratyogi sattva vyavasthapanam is done, then pratyogi will be sat. Because pratyogi nishedha is not done. This is one case. So either with na or without na. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji. Yes, Swamiji.
Now further. Yatra tu प्रतियोगी निषेधयोः उभयोरपि निषेधः. And that other point also we saw, न्यून सत्ताकत्वम. निषेध्य अपेक्षया, if न्यून सत्ताकत्वम is there, then पारमार्थिक सत्व अविरोधित्वे न तंत्र. I hope you remember that point also. I am going to move forward now. यत्र तु प्रतियोगी निषेधयोः उभयो अपि निषेधः. Earlier it was said निषेध is निषिध्यते, but प्रतियोगी सत्वम व्यवस्थाप्यते. Now he says if प्रतियोगी and निषेध, both of them are negated, प्रतियोगी निषेधयोः उभयोरपि निषेधः, तत्र न प्रतियोगी सत्वम. There प्रतियोगी will not become sat. So Pratyogi and Nishedha, both of them are getting negated now. Like in the case of our Darshtanta, Jagat. Here see, this is Jagat, Nishedhya. This is Nishedha, Shruti, Nehana Anasti Kinchana. Jagat Mithyatva Pratipadaka Shruti. And because Brahma alone is Satyam, therefore Jagat Nishedhya Pratipadaka Shrutis are also Mithya. right?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
Yes.
Jagat is mithya. This is Jagat. Jagat मिथ्यात्व प्रतिपादक श्रुति नेह नास्ति किंचन इत्यादि, and this is Brahma alone is Satyam. Therefore, this, according to this understanding, these Shrutis are also Mithya. So, this is this second category where it is said Pratyogi and Nishedha. Yatra tu Pratyogi Nishedhayoho Ubhayor api Nishedha. Both are getting negated. Tatra na Pratyogi Sattvam. This Pratyogi doesn't become Sat. Pratyogi also remains Mithya. Both are negated. Nothing will happen. Jagat will not become Satyam. So this is the Siddhanta. First Siddhanta should be clear. Now in that, Drashtanta is given. Yatha Dhvansa Samaye Pragabhava Pratiyogino Ubhayor Nishedha. यथा ध्वंस समये प्राग भाव प्रतियोगिनोर उभयोर निषेधः. प्राग भाव and प्रतियोगी. So this is taken differently by different acharyas. Okay. So we will go slowly. First explanation is this. Pratyogi is let us say Ghata. And its Nishedha is in the form of Pragabhava. Because this Vakya is Yatra Yatha Dhvansa Samaye Prag Abhava Pratyoginoho. Prag Abhava Pratyoginoho. How many things are there in that?
Two.
Two. Prag Abhava and Pratyogi. Ghata, Ghatasya Prag Abhava in this way. So if we take Ghata as Pratyogi and Ghata Prag Abhava as Nishedha, so when Ghata is present, Ghata Prag Abhav is there?
No.
No. If Ghata Prag Abhav is not there, then what is there? Ghata Prag Abhava Abhava. Correct?
Yes, Swamiji.
When Pratyogi is there, Ghata Prag Abhava Abhava is there. Means Ghata Prag Abhava is a Nishedha. Ghata Prag Abhava Abhava is there. Then when Ghata Dhvansa takes place, because the Vakya is Dhvansa Samaye. Ghata Dhvansa, when it takes place, then what happens?
Ghata Bhava will be present.
Ghata Abhava When Ghata Dvans takes place, Ghata is not there anymore. So Pratiyogi Nisheda is done. And Pragabhava, Ghata Pragabhava, whose Abhava was there. Right? When Ghata was there, Ghata Pragabhava, Abhava was there. Yes?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Ghata was there, Ghata Pragabhava, Abhava was there. So when Ghata Dvansa takes place, Ghata Pragabhava, Abhava happens. It's simple, it is just one more Abhava you have to add, that's all. Ghata Pragabhava is there first. When Ghata comes, Ghata Pragabhava becomes Ghata Pragabhava, Abhava. When Ghata Dvansa takes place, then Ghata Pragabhava, Abhava will be, because Nisheda is happening. Pratyogi Nisheda means Ghata Nisheda. So Ghata Dvansa comes. And Ghata Pragabhava, Abhava happens. So Ghata Pragabhava, Abhava is what?
Ghata Pragabhava.
Ghata Pragabhava. Ghata Pragabhava, Abhava is Ghata Pragabhava. If you say there is Ghata Pragabhava, Ghata Pragabhava means now Ghata is going to happen. Ghata is going to be Utpanna. Ghata Utpatti, Apatti will come. Because that Ghata which is broken, it cannot come back. One Ghata, if it is broken, if Ghata is broken, from that Kapala, if I produce Ghata, same Ghata cannot come. So, what should happen? This Pratyogi Sattvam will happen. This is the Apatti. See what he said. Yatra tu Pratyogi Nishedhayor Ubhayor api Nishedaha. Na tatra Pratyogi Sattvam. यत्र यथा ध्वंस समय प्राग भाव प्रतियोगिनो हो उभयो हो निषेध. There where Ghata Praga Bhava and Ghata, both, their Nisheda happens with Dvansa, then Ghata doesn't come into being. Why? Because Nyaya doesn't accept that one Ghata which is broken, Dvansa, if it has taken place, same Ghata's Praga Bhava doesn't come. Otherwise, what will happen? Dvansa Bhava and Praga Bhava will become one. There is a difference between Dvansa Abhava, Pradvansa Bhava and Praga Bhava are different. Praga Bhava there before Ghata Utpatti. Once Praga Bhava is gone by Ghata Utpatti, no matter how many times you say Praga Bhava, Abhava, Abhava, that same Ghata Utpatti will not come. So Pratyogi Sattvam will never happen. So na Pratyogi Sattva. This line is clear?
Yes.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
Now in that, there is a different way of explaining. Means different way in the sense, the प्राचीन न्याय मत, they would have some other objection there. What is the other objection? What is sansarga bhava? What is sansarga bhava? How many abhavas are there?
4.
What is sansarga bhava? 3 abhavas are sansarga bhava. Praga bhava,
Ragabhava, Pradvamsabhava, and Atyanta.
Praga bhava, Pradvansa bhava, and Atyanta bhava. These 3 are called sansarga bhava. Anyanya bhava is not included in that. According to Prachina Nayayikas, if there is one sansarga bhava in any period of time, then at that time another sansarga bhava cannot be there. So if Ghata Praga bhava is there, then you cannot say Ghata Praga bhava abhava, because that second abhava is Atyanta bhava. So at a time, that's why they don't accept that when Praga bhava is there, Atyanta bhava is also there. In Kapala, Ghatas Praga bhava is there or Atyanta bhava is there?
Ragabhava.
Only one. And in Pata, you say there is Anyanya bhava. So that is separate. In Bhutala, you can say there is Ghata Atyanta bhava. And after Ghata Dhvansa, there is what?
Pradvamsabhava.
Pradvansa bhava. So there is, when Praga bhava is there, you cannot say there is Atyanta bhava. Vedanti will say like that. So that's why Navya Nayayikas have accepted. Prachin Nayayikas don't accept. Only one sansarga bhava can be there at a time. Tat kala vachchedena eka sansarga bhava. So when we say praga bhava abhava, that second abhava is atyanta bhava. Praga bhava is atyanta bhava. This they will have objection. So therefore, this sentence, Dhvansa samaye, Praga bhava pratiyogino ubhayor nishedha. This much line is there.
Yes, Swamiji.
This line is explained differently by Laghu Chandrikakara. Laghu Chandrikakara is the commentator on Advaita Siddhi. So how he explained this? Ghata Dhvansa means Dhvansa Samaye, Prak. Not Praga Bhava, Prak. Abhava Pratiyoginoho Ubhayor Nishedha. Ghata Dhvansa Samaye, Prak. Abhava Pratiyoginoho. So he takes only Abhava and Pratiyogi, not Praga Bhava and Pratiyogi. Prak he separates. अत्यंताभाव and प्रतियोगी. And then he says, after prak, you have to do adhyahara of another shabda. Aropita. Aropita means superimposed. Superimpose atyanta and superimpose pratiyogi. Aropita. So the vakya will become like this. First you understand, prak means prior. Prior means when it is ajnata. Before you do nishedha. So dhvansa samaye निषेध धी प्राक, निषेध बुद्धि प्राक, आरोपित अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगिनोः उभयोर निषेधः. In that case, Pratyogi Sattva will not happen. Because you are already doing Nisheda of its Atyanta Bhava and its Pratyogi. So, Yatha Dvansa Samaye Prak. Prak means before Nisheda happens, that Aropita Atyanta Bhava and Pratyogi, they both are getting negated by the Nisheda Buddhi. Then, because Pratyogi is also negated, Atyanta Bhava, its Atyanta Bhava does not make Pratyogi Sattva. And this Nishedati Purva, Ajnata, because if it is Aropita Padartha, Aropita means Pratibhasika. Pratibhasika Padartha, they are Jnataika Sattva. Pratibhasika Padartha has Jnataika Sattva. Only when it is known, you say it is there. When it is not known, because it is not Utpanna only. So before Utpatti, it is Ajnata. And when Utpatti takes place, then it is Jnata, Atyanta Bhava and Pratyogi. So they are getting negated. So the Nisheda Buddhi here will be Ghataha tad Atyanta Bhavo Nasti. Abhava Pratiyoginoho Ubhayor Nishedha. So before Nishedha, Ghata and its Atyanta Bhava. Of this, Ghata, Pratyogi and its Atyanta Bhava, Tad Atyanta Bhavasya Nasti. This is the meaning of that line. This is the Nisheda Buddhi. So Atyanta Bhava does not make Pratyogi Sattva here, even though both are getting negated. Like in Darshtanta, Pratyogi and Jagat Nisheda. When Jagat Nisheda is there, done, it is Traikalika Nisheda. Pratipanno Padau, Traikalika Nisheda Pratiyogitvam. Traikalika Nisheda, when it is done, Jagat is negated and Jagat's Atyanta Bhava is there. Both of them, they get negated by Brahma Satyatva. Brahma Satya will negate both of them. So Jagat Mithya will not become Jagat Satyam. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
No. It is not clear. Okay, I will repeat it once again. Prak means prior. This is the second reading, Laghu Chandrika Kar's reading. Prak means before Nisheda Buddhi takes place. Before negation happens, the Ghata and its Atyanta Bhava, both of them, what kind of they are? They are Aropita. Aropita Atyanta Bhava. Aropita Atyanta Bhava means that it is not there. This is Pratibhasika. And Pratyogi is also Pratibhasika. Pratibhasika, from Vyavaharik standpoint, they are Nyuna Sattaka. So, Aropita Abhava and Aropita Pratyogi. Both of them only if they are Aropita, you can do their Nisheda. If they are Satya, you cannot do Nisheda. So, Aropita Vastu, Atyanta Bhava and Aropita Pratyogi, when both are getting negated, then Aropita Vastu does not become Satya. Only just because you have mentioned Atyanta Bhava, Atyanta Bhava. And the Purva, Prak, Nishedadi Prak. Nishedadi Prak means before the Vastu gets negated, it is Ajnata. See, it is not that Rajata is staying in Shukti and you went for a walk for 2 hours and you came back and Rajata is still there and now you say, now I want to negate it. Now I understood there is Shukti. It is not like this. When you see, at that time there is Rajata. And then as soon as you see the Shukti Adhishthanam, Rajata is gone. So it is not that Rajata was there for a long time. When you came, now you are doing negation. So Rajata is there, present only while I am experiencing. So earlier Rajata is Ajnata. Yatekasatvam means this. So before its utpatti, it is ajnata. And that aropita atyanta bhav and aropita pratyogi both get negated together. A question can come, when will you have ghata and its atyanta bhav? Because what is he doing? He is negating ghata and atyanta bhava. When will you have ghata also and atyanta bhava also? Means two virodhi things. It is only possible like in swapna, like we saw the example in the beginning itself. Rajju sarpa in swapna is negated by swapna apta purusha, somebody who teaches and says nayam sarpaha rajjuriyam. So that swapna sarpa and its nisheda, rajju sarpa and its nisheda, both are there, and then both are getting negated when you wake up in that way. So here ghata and atyanta bhava, they are like that. Any question?
Yes, Swamiji. If atyanta power is, so why still we need to do initiator of it?
Well, this is an example. It's not necessary that if it is there, it will not happen this way, that way. Just hypothetically, if we are doing negation like this. Atyanta bhava is there, and then you say that vakya is also wrong. I mean, that was also illusion. Ghata was also illusion. Ghata atyanta bhava is also illusion. You can make that such statement. Right? Yes?
Yes, Swamiji.
I mean, if something has atyanta power, and then why we need to do negation of that vastu? Because the vastu is not there. The jagat is not there, we know. So why we still do initiator of the non-existent jagat?
Yeah, okay. So the next point is coming there. See further.
Atyanta bhava is trikalika, or it is only at one period of time.
Traikalika.
Trikalika. Also.
See further. Tathacha prakrite api nishedhasya badhyatve api prapanchasya tatvikatvam nishedha badhakena pratyoginah prapanchasya tan nishedhasya cha badhanat उभयोरपि निषेध्यता अवच्छेदकस्य दृश्यत्वादेश तुल्यत्वात् तथा च earlier he gave yatha, now he gives tatha. Prakriti api, in the current scenario also. Nishedhasya badhyatve api, this I already explained. Prapancha and its nishedha, neha nanasti kintana. Prapanchasya nishedhasya badhyatve, when nishedha badha takes place, prapanchasya tatvikatvam निषेध बाधकेन प्रतियोगिनः प्रपंचस्य तन्निषेधस्य च बाधना. When निषेध बाधा takes place, प्रपंचस्य तात्विकत्वं न स्यात्. Why? निषेध बाधकेन प्रतियोगिनः प्रपंचस्य तन्निषेधस्य च बाधना. Because when you do nishedha badha, Nishedvada means this. And this Pratyogi is, what is the other word?
Nishedhya.
Nishedhya. Nishedbadakena pratyogina prapanchasya tannishedasya cha. Both are getting negated. When Nisheda Bada takes place, Prapancha also Bada takes place. Somebody will ask how both of them you are able to negate together. He says, because their Nishedhyata Avachedaka is Samana. Ubhayorapi Nishedhyata Avachedakasya Drishyatvadesh Tulyatvad. In Jagat Drishyatvam is there.
Yes, Swami.
Yes, Swami.
In Jagat Nishedhaka Shruti Vakya Drishyatvam is there.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
Swamiji.
Swami.
So both of their Nishedhyata Avachedaka is Drishyatvam. Jagat Mithya Drishyatvat. Jagat Mithya Pratipadaka Shruti Vakyam Mithya Drishyatvat. So Jagat is also Mithya, Jagat Pratipadaka Shruti Vakya also will become Mithya, and Brahma alone will remain Satya. This is simple. What is Ghatasya Avachedaka?
Ghatatva.
Ghatatva.
And what is Ghata Abhava Avachedaka? Ghata Bhavatva. If Ghatasya Avachedakatva is Ghatatva, Ghata Bhavasya Avachedakatva is
Abhavatya.
Ghata Bhavatva. All you have to do is just add
Tva.
Tva at the end. That's all. And what is Ghatat? Paratvas Avachedaka.
Paratvatva.
Paratvatva. So Drishyatva is there in both Jagat as well as the Nishedha. So there is no problem. Drishyatva is Tulyatva. Now somebody has objection. If your Shruti is Mithya, then what they are teaching cannot be Pramanika. It will have Apramanyam. Atatvika Nisheda Bodhakatva Shruter Apramanyam Nacha Shankyam. Purvapakshi will say this. Shruti is Apramanam. See, Anumana Bhakya. Shrutihi Apramanam. Atatvika Nisheda Bodhakatvat. This is the hetu. Yatra yatra atatvika nisheda bodhakatvam tatra tatra apramanatvam. Yatha vipralambaka vakyam. Vipralambaka vakya is atatvika bodhaka vakya, whether it is nisheda vakya or any vakya. Here it is given nisheda bodhaka because it is saying neha nanasti kinchana. So Shrutehe Apramanyam na Shankyam, Siddhanti says. Why? Can you say Shruti is Apramanam? Because Shruti is Mithya.
No, Swamiji.
Why not?
Because it is not a Tattvika Bodha Vakya. It is a Tattva Bodhaka Vakya.
Any other idea?
Other one is for Vyavaharik Satta. Vyavaharik Sattvam is there in Shruti Vakya.
For Vyavaharik Jagat, Vyavaharik Mithyatva is there in Shruti Vakya. See the next line, answer is given. ब्रह्म भिन्नस्य अतात्विकत्वं बोधयतः शास्त्रस्य अप्रामाण्य अयोगात्. That shastra which says Brahma alone is Satya, other than Brahma everything is Mithya, that shastra is pramanikam for us. Brahma भिन्नस्य अतात्विकं बोधयतः शास्त्रस्य. That shastra, bodhayan shastram or bodhayat shastram, that shastra which says anything other than Brahma is atatvikam, nobody can say it is apramanika. It is pramanika because its pratipadanam is in accordance with our thinking, or its pratipadanam is what it should be. That Brahma alone is Satyam, it is doing. It is like this. If a teacher scolds the student, will you say this teacher is a bad teacher?
No.
Why? He is doing his job correctly. If a police punishes someone who is doing something wrong, you cannot say police is bad because he is doing his job. This is what he is supposed to do. Shastra is supposed to do pratipadanam of only one Brahma, Satya. So if Shastra is saying Jagat is Mithya and Shastra is also Mithya, that Shastra is Pramanika Shastra.
Swamiji, can we use the word Shura in this as well, that logic that that is its domain and therefore it is, you cannot refute it, you cannot question it?
No, but why?
For
Why
this,
you cannot refute here? That the answer is given here. Therefore it is Shura. Just because you say because it is Shura in which sense?
understood, Swamiji.
So you have to have this. The secret is given here. This is a beautiful sentence here. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.